Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OnlyFans email verification issues. So I will move in my browser where I logged in my OnlyFans page. So from here I will move in my profile icon, which is right bottom corner. So after moving in my profile icon, there is the option is settings. I just move in my settings. Just tap on third option. So make sure when you create your first account, the email verification is on your when you signed in your first time. So OnlyFans page send a verification code on your official Gmail, which email you attached while sign in. So I will go back and open my Gmail, and you will receive like this email, and here is the code verification. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.